Here's what you'll learn in the next 8 minutes that could change your financial future. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why 95% of people stay broke, and why Chinese family business dynasties are quietly rewriting the rules of generational wealth. Let's zoom out for a second. Most people think building wealth is all about hustle. Work hard, save money, maybe invest a little. But what if I told you, for centuries in China, families have been mastering a different game entirely. One where legacies last not just decades, but centuries. This right here is the ordinary world. Most businesses fade out by the third generation, and only a tiny fraction truly become dynasties. So, what's their secret? Let's dive in. The first clue is in the way these families view business. It's never just business. It's about honor, legacy, and shared destiny. Instead of leaving everything to chance, or hoping the next generation will figure it out, Chinese business families have developed a playbook of traditions and rules. That's the call to adventure. Could these secrets work for you too? Here's the first big insight. Succession isn't an afterthought. It's a process that starts early, sometimes before the next generation is even born. Elders mentor the young, pass down stories, and teach not just the how, but the why behind every decision. Family councils and charters are common, making sure every member has a clear role, and nobody feels left behind. This builds unity and trust, the glue that holds a dynasty together through wars, recessions, and revolutions. Here's a surprising fact. Top Chinese dynasties often choose successors based on merit, not age or gender. Ability, not birth order, determines who leads. And while outsiders might think all decisions are made behind closed doors, transparency is actually a core value. Regular meetings, open books, and honest conversations are the norm. Pause here and tell me in the comments, what's your biggest money mistake? Now what's the reward for all this discipline? The results are staggering. Some of China's oldest business families have survived for 400 years and are still growing. They adapt, reinvent, and always plan 2 steps ahead. That's how they beat the odds and build legacies that last. Here's the takeaway as we return to the ordinary world. Building real wealth isn't about quick wins. It's about vision, planning, and passing down not just assets but wisdom. Which strategy will you try first? Comment below and I'll personally respond. And if you want to join the Financial Freedom Challenge, like and follow for the next video because we're just getting started.